Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about PayPal, which is, can I receive money with PayPal without verifying my account? The straight answer is yes. You generally can receive money into an unverified PayPal account. When you open a PayPal account, even before you complete the verification process, you can typically start receiving funds. However, there are important limitations you need to be aware of. An unverified account will have limits on the total amount of money you can receive, as well as limits on how much you can send or withdraw. These limits are set by PayPal to comply with financial regulations and vary by country. For example, you might be able to receive a few payments, but once the total balance or a certain withdrawal amount is reached, your account will be limited. A limitation means you won't be able to withdraw the money or send any more until you verify your account. Verification is the process of linking and confirming a bank account or debit credit to your PayPal account. It essentially proves your identity and ownership of the financial details, which lifts these sending, receiving, and withdrawal limits. PayPal will usually ask you to verify your account to get full functionality and avoid these restrictions. So while you can receive money, you will eventually need to verify your account if you plan to use PayPal regularly, especially for withdrawing funds or handling larger amounts. It's the key step to unlocking the full capabilities of your PayPal account and removing those initial limitations. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.